Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to draw in Canva. So the first step you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just open up your project, then look here for the tools option and then hover over it, the cursor. So after you hover your cursor over it, just click on it and you will see the option for draw here. So just select and select your desired marker, pen or anything. So I'll just select this marker here. So after that you can draw anything you like with the help of this pretty easy process. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.